have now reached the PPE area to select the PPEs. Take the helmet from the table. Inspect and wear the helmet. Inform the supervisor if it is damaged. Inspect and wear the safety harness. Inform the supervisor if it is damaged. Take the walkie-talkie from the table. Let's move to the work area. Listen carefully to the toolbox talk to understand and follow safety protocols. Stay alert for hazards, report issues immediately, and keep the workspace clean to prevent slips, trips, and falls. Use PPEs such as helmets, harnesses, and non-slip footwear as required. Observe the environment and your coworkers' actions. Maintain 3-point contact while ascending and descending, and ensure your safety belt remains anchored to the lifeline. Now move to the scaffolding platform. Press the Ensure button. Observe the coworker performing the welding activity. If you identify any hazards, take a photo using the shutter button on the tablet. Evaluate the risk matrix for the hazard. Always observe the coworker performing the welding activity. If you identify any hazards, take a photo using the shutter button on the tablet. Evaluate the risk matrix for the hazard. Always have a fire extinguisher while doing hot work like welding activity. Welding activity is completed. You can safely descend the scaffolding. Let's understand the emergency procedures for a fall incident. Thank you. You have completed the training.